Which is faster, the electric or the combustion engine?
There's only one way to find out which car is fastest. The drag strip!
We're pitting the Porsche Carrera S against the premium electric Tesla Roadster.
This 6-cylinder ride puts out 385 horsepower of raw muscle.
The Tesla has only 288 horsepower. Now, it matters less because of the instantaneous torque, but it's still 100 horsepower less. Now, the Tesla's made up of a carbon fiber, which is much lighter.
I live my life a quarter mile at a time.
That's horrible. Oh my gosh, the instant power. This car is insane.
Garrett, how does that feel?
It never goes through the gears like a regular car. It just continues on.
Smoothest, most power I've ever felt.
Awesome. Next time I'm driving the electric car. Well, it's been fun driving these high-powered luxury cars. I think we've earned our racing stripes. It's time for the big boys.
We've got two classic cars here. Now, I'm getting in this 1969 classic Chevy Camaro with a 427 big block engine. Now, I could have sworn you said you had an electric car to pit against this.
Well, it turns out you can teach an old dog new tricks. Or, in this case, take an old car and put a new motor in it. This 1965 type kit car is all electric, baby. It's been modified with 1,400 3.2-volt lithium-ion batteries. They run both parallel and in series to create a bank of batteries that pull out 290 volts and over 2,000 amps of electricity. That equates to 250 horsepower and, more importantly, over 1,300 foot-pounds of torque. That's some serious muscle.
All right, Vanessa, you ready?
Ready.
Had some serious muscle, but I got smoked off the line. This thing has twice the horsepower, but it just goes to show that it's all about the torque. I mean, if I had a quarter mile, I definitely would have taken that electric car.
Instantaneous torque turned into an instantaneous butt kicking. It was amazing. It had so much power I couldn't even floor it. It just took off.